Hi, I'm Sowell. I teach the NRSM 102 Montana Range Plants class. This is video number 7. This field pointer or bone is to remind you that this is a bonus video designed to show you a number of other plants that are not covered in class, but if you're traveling around the state you might see these things and wonder what they are, such as this one is Yucca. And we'd like to thank the Montana State Teaching and Learning Committee for making this video possible, as well as Gage and Gramme, who helped put these things together. Japanese brome is a common introduced plant in Montana rangelands. Looks very similar to cheatgrass, but has many florets per spikelet and does have the common annual root system. Buffalo berry is a common plant on overflow sites or silty sites in Montana, has red berries and is used by wildlife. Hounds Tongue is a noxious weed in the state of Montana. It can take over large areas of land, so this is a good plant to recognize early and try to control. This is an introduced plant which is called Dame's Rocket. It's prevalent on overflow sites, but more ornamental than anything else. Another introduced grass is Quack Grass. It's an agropyron or a wheatgrass and is also rhizomatous, so grows in large mat-forming colonies. Serviceberry is an important shrub in the state of Montana. A number of wildlife species utilize the berries on this plant. Even bears in Glacier we saw eating serviceberry berries. The leaves are serrated on the upper half of the leaf. This is poison ivy, so if you're walking around Montana, this is a plant you should know. Leaves of 3, let them be. So it's got a leaf in a cluster of 3 with a strong midrib and bended strongly halfway through the leaf. A common plant in riparian areas in Montana is black cottonwood. One of the most common conifers in the state of Montana is Douglas fir. So it's easy to tell this plant by the needles that have 2 white lines on the underside of the needle. A mat-like plant found growing all over the state is club moss. So you can tell by the pencil that this thing rarely gets over 1/2 inch tall. Prickly pear cactus is a common plant on drier sites in Montana.